Hey guys, thanks for joining. Today I've got another box of goodies. We're going to unbox and test it out. This is a Tesla Model S or X center console organizer. Now there's a few different variations out there, but I've been specifically looking for one that still retained some of the basic functionality like the cup holders. At the same time, still have some extra space for miscellaneous items like glasses or phones. So far, the quality looks pretty good. These silicone pieces seem very flimsy. We'll take a look at those. 1, 2, and 3 pieces. Now they have these spring-loaded stops. I believe when you close the door, it will stop there and still have the ability to have access to the cup holder areas. And I believe you still can close it all the way as well. We'll test that out in a little bit. Looks like these fit pretty well. A little flimsy, but they work. Grippy. The quality of the plastic feels pretty good. They feel pretty solid for what it is. Alright, let's go install it. It looks like they have these foam things on the side to help keep it snug and not slide around. Pretty simple to pop it in. Not bad, very snug. Fits pretty well. See how these stops help hold the door all the way, and you can still pull it all the way closed. But that's pretty cool. You can still hide some of your stuff in the back and still have access to some soda cans. I noticed these pockets aren't as big. I think there's some improvements that they could have or can make, but overall, a couple soda cans there. That's still better. My iPhone X fits pretty well. If you have a little larger phone, that could be an issue. You can always stand it up like that. That works as well. There's a lot of good options out there. You could potentially put a Qi charging underneath there and have it sit on top of that as well. Maybe it will be one of those future projects. There's still room for a pair of glasses. Overall, this is a good purchase. I believe this is definitely a good addition to any Model S or X. You still have all the additional space underneath that as well. If you like these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll have more of these videos, these type of videos in the near future. Thanks again.